Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Clover Flex Mini. This is Clover Flex starter kit. And the box is empty. So I have Clover Flex starter kit. Okay, and comes with a tiny roll of printer paper and a charging station. And the charging station. We've seen this connector before. And we have quick start guide. There's a lot here. You can probably find a copy of this on the internet. Alright. And this box should be the Clover Flex itself. Here it is. Let's peel that off and put it on the charger. And power it on. Paper for receipts. And it shows inside there. Like so. Okay, let's get started with the setup. I'm gonna set the language. Have Wi-Fi here. Wi-Fi here, so let's select Wi-Fi. And it works like any other Wi-Fi device, much like your phone. So we just connect to the Wi-Fi and I press the check button. And next you need to give it some amount of time to update. Alright, so I just updated now. Just press a few default buttons. Probably got an email from your Clover merchant. Here I have the email I got. Alright. And now it's going to auto install the apps that we already have on our account. Alright, so we got to the point where, oh, I already put the thermal paper in, so let's print a test receipt and see what comes out. There it is. It has that spot from where the tape was. Oops. It's okay. Anyway, now it's been charging for a while. You can pick it up and leave it on the charger because that's a good spot. Okay, let's continue. Everyone works for you. Leave that as it is. This is only because we have a demo device. And here you are. You can get started with using your Clover Flex.